guys, welcome back to my channel.
We're talking about getting a vlog camera for all your 11 subscribers.
Hey, I have to start somewhere. Anyways, so back to the main purpose of this video. So we were talking, and we're like, oh, I'm so bored, don't have anything to do today. We're like, let's go do something. We're like, you know what?
Wait, we can still get Dutch Press on Friday, though, right?
Of course.
9
Once a week is
stamps.
fine. That's different.
Yeah.
That's a reward.
Yeah. For this week.
We were like, we need to be healthy.
Because summer is in 2
summer
months.
is coming really fast.
Look like some
So we're like, let's do some meal prep. So this is what this video is. I'm going to title this video
How to meal prep.
I'm not going to say how to because we're not experts. But I will say how to meal prep with, not how to, meal prep with Taylor and Avery school edition.
Yeah, exactly.
And then,
oh, what the heck? Where'd this rain come from?
No, it was pouring rain when I was driving here, and I felt so bad. There's this guy in the convertible. He was like, he probably thought it was gonna be so sunny and so nice, but then it just started pouring down rain.
Can we just say that at the top
There's
of
probably
the hill?
like a pool in his convertible.
Can we just say at the top of the hill it's sunny?
Yeah, that's life for you.
That's something. It's like an ice cube. She's like, I think I have pneumonia, frostbite, yes. Pneumonia.
So today we're making roasted vegetables and chicken, pan roasted. The recipe should take about only 25-ish minutes, which is like what we need.
Prime.
And we're gonna make a lot because we have to have 6 servings.
Why 6?
So we have 3 days of school left. There's 2 of us.
Sure.
Simple multiplication here, people.
Cinnable?
Simple.
Oh, I heard cinnable. I was like, okay.
So, catch you
Avery, I
later.
killed someone.
It's an inside joke. She didn't actually do it. So we'll see you in our local, also known as Safeway.
Are we fun? Strawberries, mangoes, avocado, onion, carrots, and peppers. Now we need broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, Brussels sprouts. Like that'd be down yonder. Oh yes, I found. Oh my god, there's a park of cars. So it's kind of awkward because a lot of people. So here's our nice cart. We went for this kind of chicken because we think it'll be easier, user-friendly, saute ready. Oh, we have to saute it? Oh, you just... And we can do it that while the vegetables are cooking. Oh, brilliant. And then just as a final, like, mix it all together. Yeah, perfect. Don't run me over.
Welcome back. We're gonna start
Whipping
up. We need to play the song that's like in the club.
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry.
So, to begin, we have 2 sweet potatoes. I'm gonna start by peeling them. Enlighten me.
I haven't decided, and I'm also going to take everything out.
Ah, a good step to take. I have to
I also might
I have to be in the
look
gym
into how
soon,
long this
so-
chicken takes.
Says 10 minutes.
Oh, okay. I'm sure that there's a broccoli and cauliflower.
Only $5. What a deal.
I didn't even know that.
Grocery
Well,
store.
that doesn't mean it's a vlog. Think about when they do like videos.
happening?
This is my fiance.
for like
His name is
makeup,
Benjamin.
and they take you in and like buy it. Like they're just showing you what they're.
Just gonna keep peeling this. Now I have some carrots. Pew pew pew.
You smell-
Come back when it's all chopped. Just here.
Are you kidding me? It's the
Whipping up
bottom
our
of the
veggies.
97
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry.
Wow, that looks really good.
Vegetables.
Wow.
This will be the thumbnail. Wait, let me just do a little picture really quick. Wait, get in it, Taylor. Get in like the corner right down there.
Saute.
Take a look at our vegetables.
Or we need to. We're gonna need to like drain it, aren't we?
Yeah. It's just because they're frozen.
Veggies.
Looking good.
Whoa.
Oh, it smelled great. Go like this. Come right here. Oh man, my face might got really hot. Is this for this? No, they're both because that was the timer because I accidentally like. Wow, it's just a little watery, but that's just the oil and the defrosted.
Sure she can get it.
Hey guys, we're at school.
No, because okay, let me just give you the rundown. So yesterday we videotaped us making this food.
Mm-hmm.
And then say, oh, tomorrow I'll give you a video of me taste.
Here's
Is it
Avery.
taste
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 testing
testing.
Oh,
I don't know if it's microwave.
her food. Is that your meal prep?
Uh-huh.
for class.
She's not a freshman.
No, not her. This is the freshman class of Pinot Township.
Mmm.
Have you eaten that before?
A variation. Not my. I haven't done it myself though.
No, but like after you made it, did you eat it?
No. I'd go home. This is very good. Thanks for watching. Like, comment. What's the last one?
Subscribe.